Hello everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to put support leg to your cabinet. So currently I'm using a system cabinet. Here I take out one universal cabinet. Okay, and then for the sizing I'll set the height as for 1000. Okay, and then I put elevation for 200. And then the skirting here, I don't want the skirting, so I will just adjust the skirting height as for 0. Okay, so to install the support leg, click to your carcass, right click, support leg install. Okay, so you have the option for you to add, just add, and then you can choose to any support leg that you want. So let's say I'll click here. So automatically you will have the support leg installation. So you can choose to install how many legs that you want, and then to remove you can just click cross to the area that you don't want any support, and then you can adjust the support leg height, width, and also depth. So just now I want to set my carcass height as for 200, right? So just 200. Okay, so I will have my support leg as for the height 200, width for 83, and the depth is 55.16. So you can adjust to any of the value. And then to replace, you can just click select, and then you can replace to any other type of the leg. Right? So that is how you install your carcass, your support leg to your carcass. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you.